Hi, hello everyone. This is Jason Yu. I'm the book of owner of Wemax Partner. 2020, we've gone through a lot of new normal situation. And right now is the best moment for real estate agents who want to rebuild or they want to expand their business. Why? Because during the 2020, at this moment, the majority of the agent, they lost the momentum because of the COVID-19. And what happened is that right now, at this moment, we still have a lot of buyer and seller. They still want to make a move. But so far, at this moment, we have a lot less, this agent on the market. So what we're going to talk about in coming workshop is how when we can rebuild this business opportunity at this moment. Traditionally, we're going to talk about the business plan in the December. But right now, why are we talking so early? This is one reason. Because at this moment, we have some uncertainty coming up. Even though we have a second lockdown coming up, but how we can well prepare to make sure we have a strong business model running right now. Because let's say, if a listing agent take a listing, sold the listing in a couple of weeks, most likely the commission check is going to arrive in January or February. What that means is whatever you do right now is going to become your paycheck in January, February, or March. If you want to start strong in 2021, it's time to do something right now. We need to do it right now. For the business plan, 95% of the agent, usually they don't have a business plan, 95% of them. I think the main reason is that because when they're too busy or when they're working for a buyer, in the normal market, they don't have to have any plan as long as the buyer comes to visit them or they call them. But during the new normal, we need to do it differently. How we can become the 5% of the agent have a very strong business plan so we can well prepare for the coming 2021. So what we're going to talk about it, in the coming workshop. If you're interested, you can click the link below. We're going to talk about it. If I can help you to share the technique and help you to build a strong business plan, if you can create a good result, I would like to ask for one thing. Number one, because right now during the pandemic, there's a lot of people they need help. If I can share my knowledge to help you to create a lot more business opportunity, please donate 5% of the extra income because I share the knowledge with you to your local charity, either food bank or some hospital, whatever. Donate 5% of the extra income because you learn from us. That's number one thing. Number two, if I can help you, to build a business plan and create a really strong income in next year, what I'm looking for, just one, good testimonial from you. Why? Because during this pandemic, during this situation, we're looking for different business opportunity. Right now, you're watching this video because we want to create more business opportunity too. So I want to show my real estate agent. We're trying to using different technology, using different equipment, different things to create a more business opportunity. So these are something I'm looking forward to do. So in the coming workshop, we're going to talk about the business plan. So this take around 45 minutes for this workshop. So I'm looking forward, to meet you in the coming meeting. Click the link to register. Talk to you soon. Bye.